guys, I'm Aaron. We made it to Philadelphia. I'll take you around the city in the next video, but right now just a real quick life update video. So what had happened? Well, in February, I was offered a promotion with work. Fortunately, that would mean an hour commute each way. And at the time, I was going home every day at lunchtime to let Penny out and take her on a short walk. And I couldn't do that if I took the new position, so I unfortunately declined. It was then my boss's idea, actually. He said, well, what if you could bring Penny to work with you? I said, well, that changes everything. Saw this as the perfect opportunity to get into van life. I always worried about, well, what would I do with Penny on hot summer days? I wasn't thinking I would be able to have a battery bank big enough or a AC system strong enough to keep everything nice and cool enough for a dog in a hot summer car. So what my boss offered sounded like the perfect arrangement. So over the 5 months that I had the job, I completely turned around the department. It was out of control. Nobody was keeping track of purchases, doing purchase orders and stuff like that. So I turned it around, got us profitable, got us on a track where we were good going forward. Then Marshall's story. Marshall turned up, and I was concerned at first. So went to my boss, asked him, hey, is this something that's even possible? I know having one dog here was cool. What do you think about having another dog? He specifically said, hey, what's the difference? 1 dog, 2 dogs? Doesn't matter. You're in the back. You've got your own office. You've got air conditioning. There's no customers around. So yeah, go ahead. So I took on Marshall as my responsibility, and 2-3 weeks later, all of a sudden there's a policy change at work. My boss's boss comes in and explains to me, from now on there are no dogs allowed in the office at work, at any of the dealers or in my position or anywhere. I explained to him, hey, this was part of my accepting the position. This was offered to me by my boss. And he explained that my boss didn't have the authority to offer that to me, and that they were concerned with all the what ifs. What if the dog got loose? What if, what if something happened? Would they be liable? And with that, I took my 2 weeks vacation, and here we are. So now all of a sudden I'm faced with a new problem. Now a challenge. Now I'm gonna choose to see this as an opportunity. I'm gonna travel all around the United States and see as much as I can. Of course, that means looking for a remote job and finding something that I can do remotely. I did see that there were a couple places where you could be an automotive service writer remotely. So I may look into that. I love updating my Instagram profiles and keeping everybody up to date on what I'm doing. And for the last 10 years or so, I've always wanted to start a YouTube channel, but just always had that Monday through Friday job and didn't think I could. So now's my opportunity. So here we are. Headed on our way up to Maine and stopping probably 8 or 10 different cities on the way. So join me, comment please below, let me know how I'm doing. Like the video, follow if you think that you'd like to come along on the rest of our adventure, and remember to ding that bell icon so you get notified. Till then, guys, I appreciate you.